My name is Camille Neri and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 100 plus gift ideas for girl loved ones on her birthday or any other special occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, and the like. Plus, I'll give you a very unique idea on how to make a simple gift look more memorable. And that is creating a DIY gift box, just like this. So, it's your choice if you want it in a mini box, a big box, or even a basket. And if you really don't have a budget, just buy a simple gift that she likes and then just put a cute handwritten note. That never goes out of style, you know. So, never ever forget that because that is the most important thing, okay? Because what's important is not the gift itself, but the effort you made. So, if you're interested, let's hop straight into the video. So, ayan guys, hindi na din ako nag-ayos ng sarili ko dahil alam nyo naman, kahit anong ayos ko, walang nagbabiral na videos ko. So, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng mga natatangi ko pang ideas dahil malapit na mag-Christmas. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng ideas. Meron ako ditong calendar. Dito ko sinulat lahat ng mga ideas ko kasi hindi ko siya memorize. So, let's start! First on the list is a makeup box. You can include lipstick, lip tint, eyeshadow palette, mascara, cheek tint, blushes. Additional tip, you can also make a complete makeup set from her favorite brands. And you can also include makeup brushes, some beauty blenders, primer, foundation, concealer, eyebrow kit, kasi kilay is life, you know, and eyeliners. And if ever hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mga bibilhin nyo mga makeup products, then next, a skincare box. You can add some moisturizers, toners, exfoliators, facial creams, face masks, as in super daming face mask ngayon, serum, and facial mist. Next, a self-care kit. This will make her feel good. Lip balm, vitamin, collagen, hand cream, slip mask, shower gels, unique soaps, those cute hand sanitizer, nail polish set. Diba? Sobrang hilig ng mga girls ngayon mag-color ng mga nails nila. So, that's a good idea also. Manicure set, lotion, deodorant. Sobrang cute nito. Glitter mask. Sa inyo ba yung mga iba't ibang color ng mga mask na may mga glitter? Sobrang cute nun. Medyo pang artsy-artsy siya. Mga ganon. Charcoal mask. Hair dyes. You can also make a cute handwritten letters.
Para at least kapag nag-relax
siya, babasahin siya na kikiligan siya. At least make her feel loved, diba? Siguro corny yun sa iba, pero for some girls siguro, that's a good move already. Next, workout essentials. Kasi alam niyo naman, a lot of girls nowadays gusto nilang maging fit, maging sexy. So you can include a yoga mat, resistant band, workout outfit, yung mga bralettes, yung mga pangbaba. Syempre, kailangan din may tumbler. Meron itong nabibili sa mga Shopee, sa mga Lazada, sa SM. Yung mga malalaking tumblers, as in yung may mga 1 liter. Sobrang sarap kaya magkaroon ng ganun, lalo na kung talagang palainom ka ng tubig. Para at least hindi sila nauubusan ng tubig, di ba? Next, we move on with accessories. So, accessories can add a final touch to their outfit, like a dainty necklace, some charm bracelet, dainty rings, dainty earrings, cute bandanas, some twillies, and bow hair clip, hat, and sunglasses. So, ayan. Next, we also have some gift cards. This is also a very good option if you really want them to buy whatever they like during their convenient time. You can choose either you want to give them some gift cards from a skin clinic, from a massage spa, from a shopping center, from a restaurant, from her favorite coffee shop, from her favorite tea house.
So, lahat-lahat na ng mga favorites niya.
Deserve na yun. So, to make it look more personalized, then make a cute gift card holder just like this. So, just add a cute note saying, "Give yourself love," mga ganon. Next, cameras. This is a good idea if she loves taking pictures. If meron naman kayong budget, you can buy her a mini Instax. Disposable cameras. Alam niyo ba guys, I personally would want to have a disposable camera. Ito lang gusto kong matanggap ngayon na Christmas. Next, print out instant cams. Next, beauty tools. Alam niyo naman, every girl just wants to have one of these kasi syempre ang mga babae gusto nila mag-step up yung skincare game nila.
Ayan, uulan na. So, kailangan natin bilisan tong
Video natin. So, this includes a jade roller, a face massager, a Foreo Luna if ever may budget kayo, Rayo, Foreo, whatever you like, some blackheads remover, yung ano yan guys, yung device,
mga ganito. Tapos, sinisip-sip niya.
yung mga oils dyan sa ilong.
Tapos, dito sa may cheeks. Sobrang satisfying niya lang.
Pero guys, huwag kayong bibili sa Shopee or Lazada no, mga ganun na sobrang mura lang kasi hindi yun effective. Mas malakas pa yung hinga mo guys kaysa doon. As in, na-try ko na yun. Scam siya guys, scam. Face sculptor,
So, ayan yan. Yung pinaganyan yan, guys, sa mukha. Na parang stone.
tapos nililift niya yung face. Lalo na kapag ilagay siya sa ref. Next, a facial steamer, a wireless a wireless straightener. Ay nako, eto sobrang makaka-benefit to sa inyo guys kasi 'di ba? Sobrang tagal namin
Mag-prepare kami mga babae.
kahit mag-makeup sila, magdamag, basta yung buhok. Diyos ko, pwede na nilang gawin yan sa ano, sa sasakyan or sa... Next, a cute hairbrush. An IPL hair remover. Ito, a hot and cold massager.
Hot, tapos cold. So, ayan.
Next, so sobrang good idea din ito, some room decors. This can really add up a nice touch to their rooms.
Ito, sobrang hype nito. Gusto ko din magkaroon nito.
Pero mas gusto ko yung disposable cap. Artificial flowers, mga gypsophilia na flowers. Aesthetic mirrors, pwede din vintage mirrors. A cute diffuser, some organizer boxes. Mga necklace organizer, shoe organizer, clothing organizer, skincare organizer, mga ganyan as in.
Sobrang sarap magkaroon ng mga ganyan.
A body pillow, some cute wallpapers. Yung mga dinidikit sa walls para hindi na sila magpinta. Meron yung mga 3D guys na mga floral, sobrang gaganda rin as in. Some cute lamps. Furry blanket, cute bedsheet, pillowcases, makeup mirror. Yung umiilaw guys, di ba? Para magmumukha silang ano dyan, artista kapag nagme-makeup o, di ba? Some tapestry, cute rugs, cute curtains, some velvet hangers, some drawers, or yung mga katulad ng ganyan. Ayan, yung mga lalagyan na ina-assemble lang. Some cute vase, fairy light, galaxy lights. Diba? Yung kapag nakahiga na siya, tapos papailawin niya lang yung galaxy lights. Ay, sobrang nakaka-relax. Kahit niloloko ka na relax ka pa rin. Diba? Mga ganon, charot lang. Guys, this will definitely make her super relaxed at night. Next, some baking supplies. Some kitchen supplies. Mga nanay natin, dahil lagi silang nasa kusina, yung mga plato na yan, containers na yan, ay nako, hilig nila yan. Next, some art essentials. You can buy some paint brushes, some acrylic painting, a paper canvas, a wood canvas, some cute palette, journal, stationery, gel pen. Next, eto talaga, isa pa to sa mga very nice idea. Kasi eto guys, yung food box. Diba? Alam niyo naman guys, we girls really love to eat. Pwede kayong gumawa ng candy box, some snacks, or some chips. Next, eto guys, yung mga random na. Some tops, either trendy tops, some vintage tops, tees, statement shirt, yung mga Disney na tops. You can also have some phone cases. Ay nako, ang dami nito sa Shopee and Lazada. Yung mga 3D cases, mga silicone cases, some pants, some bags. You can give her some designer bags, tote bags, shoulder bags, designer pouches, designer wallets or wallet, some handbags, and lahat ng bags. Some white sneakers, heels in nude color, cute slippers or flip-flops, sandals, some pajamas, yung mga silk pajamas, sweaters, swimwear, some colognes, cute umbrellas, AirPods case, mini speaker, eto, flash drive na merong 200 plus na gigabytes na storage. Siyempre, pwede nyo yun gamitin sa mga files niya, documents niya, sa mga memories, sa mga photos. Next, travel ticket, concert ticket, a cute bike, or pwede din guys, collection from her favorite band, from her favorite singer. And last on my list, you can give her some cute dresses.
So, I think, sinabi ko naman na lahat ng nasa lista ko.
So So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you on my next one. Bye!